Have you ever walked through your warehouse or even your basement and wondered, where did I get all these vases that are crammed on my shelves? They're too nice to throw away. Maybe you could use them later. So you haul them back to the warehouse, where somehow they seem to just multiply. All right, we're going to do something with these vases. I love craft day. I mean, I absolutely love craft day. I found these really cool papers. This one is like a velvet. Vellum paper you can get easily anywhere. It's wonderful. Look at this one. It's gold embossed. Cutouts. And then look at this. This is fabulous. This is actually sticky paper. And it is like a 3D image. And wouldn't our silver balls look great with this? So we're going to take this paper. I love this cutout. This actually costs like 29 cents at a craft store. I'm going to take this vase, and even though it is taller than my actual paper, I'm going to wrap it around it. I am okay with this space here. So I've got the size. I like the way it looks. Really cool. And now I'm going to take my double-sided tape and just run a piece of tape on one of the ends. Or one of my favorite. This reminds me of Elvis because it's that velvet paper.
Velvet feel.
I mean, isn't that cool? I mean, so easy to do a theme. Okay. This is so cool. Now, I just found this. I don't know if it's been on the market for a long time, but I just went crazy. This is tape. Too cool, right?
Oh, it is tape?
It is tape. Okay. And it comes in silver. I've seen it in red, but I love this goldy coppery color. So I thought it would be fun. Okay? I love going to the Asian market. Talk about looking at things differently. Walking the aisles and finding these different ingredients. I mean, I have no idea what these are because it's not written, there's no English in this. I can only imagine. So if you buy all this stuff and look at it and see what you can do with it. This is dried seaweed. And they use this for cooking. We're not going to use it for cooking. There is sand in this. But look at the color of this. I love this. Look at this. Very, very cool. So I'm going to wrap this vase.